This video is shot on my new Galaxy S25 Ultra and I'm shooting UHD 30 FPS with HDR. But in this video, guys, what I want to test really is what happens when we try to shoot inside, right? Not night, the environment, but still inside. And did really Samsung fixed the shutter issue with the camera? Because a lot of the guys out there, they're saying it's done deal, fixed. So what I'm gonna do right now, guys, I'm going to turn over the camera to a thing here, right? And as you can see, this is rather well illuminated. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to hit it like this, and I'm gonna try to snap some pics, guys. And if everything is really fixed, right, provided that we still have some lighting in the room coming directly out of the window, I should be able to capture some nice pics. And first, let's see what happens when I do this directly from the video, okay? All right. And then, guys, I'm gonna move to the camera and I'm going to repeat the process, all right? And you're gonna be the judge. I'm using the first official software, so this is One UI 7 stable, right? No updates, everything absolutely stock. I'm gonna show you also my camera settings, guys, and then we are going to confirm out of the box, is the shutter speed for the camera fixed when you're shooting moving objects with, let's say, limited light or inside. All right, let's start. But first, let me show you my settings. So I'm gonna open the camera, I'm gonna go to the photo, all right? The new camera menu, by the way, is very good, and there are plenty of new things. I'm gonna, of course, show them in one of my next videos, guys. But now let me go inside the settings. So, something that I've noticed straight out of the box when you click on the intelligent optimization, the quality was set to maximum, but the scene optimizer was disabled. Anyway, I turned this to on, all right? And then I'm gonna show you the advanced picture options. I'm using JPEG, all right? And the high efficiency pictures is not enabled. All right, you can see now I have the object here, all right? And by the way, I should have also tracking enabled. So now the first thing we can see is that the auto focus enhancer is set to on, which kind of will switch to the new ultra wide camera, and that's a new camera. It's 50 megapixel. There are some gains when you're shooting macro photos. So first things first, I'm going to just disable that one and just try to shoot as many pics as I can, all right? And you can see I'm trying to not really hit it so hard, okay? And I'm gonna try to just capture really more pictures, all right? So let me just do that. And now I'm gonna switch also the focus enhancer on. All right, this is now with the ultra wide camera. One more time, right? This is now, guys, only done with the main camera, okay? So with the focus enhancer, you can see it's not a pleasant experience. So I'm going to disable it and try to snap more pics, guys. This should be a fairly simple scenario for any modern phone, all right? You can see I really try to just do the photo when this thing is on the center and it's like focused. All right, and now, guys, just one more time, let's do now a heavy bump, okay? All right. So those are all the pics I was able to shoot with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let's start with the first one. The first ones are the one that I did from the video. Okay, yeah, this isn't that bad. Okay, you can see though still here the object is kind of blurry. This, by the way, is absolutely good, I think, although of course the framing isn't great. And this is also not great. Okay, this is actually bad. And now, guys, everything here that we see is from the camera. First with the focus enhancer, and honestly it's not looking great. Now I can see like those pictures, they're not really sharp, like there is no focus. The object that is moving is blurred. Oh, wait, this one is good. Okay, circa. This one is, let's say, acceptable. This one not that bad at all. This one perhaps also not that bad. Yeah, sometimes it nails it, like here. For example, let's say this one is rather sharp, nice detail, nice colors, but then this one isn't great. This one isn't great as well. This one is a failure. All right, this one is very bad, by the way. Okay, then let's analyze. This one probably, yeah, not good, guys. See, the bot here is not really good. This one is also not good. This one is also not good. This one would qualify as acceptable. Yeah, all right, so a few more to go. This is not good. This is absolutely a disaster. The bat here is good, so this one is good, I guess. This one is also good, this one is bad. And yeah, it's kind of like a mixed feeling, guys, you know.
Yeah, this one is by the way great, but you can see the focus point is just here. This one isn't bad, this one is a disaster. Okay, so you can see it's pretty much like a hit and miss. And just to show you in real time, guys, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go back to my camera. Let's now take this plan and I'm just going to move my hand, alright? I'm even not trying so fast. I mean, this is gonna be like, if I wanna do it fast, I'm gonna do it slow now, alright? This pretty much should be, yeah, a done deal, but the results aren't good, guys. So some people are saying that the shutter lock has been fixed. Now, this is not a bad picture. This is not a bad picture. This is probably acceptable. This is a complete disaster. And what I wanted to let you know, guys, if you go inside in the pro settings and you play with the shutter speed, you're gonna be able to get better results. But from what I see right now, you know, like with the standard auto settings, I don't think it's so great. I just want to show one more time all the settings. If I click here and go to the settings, guys, you can see that I have tried to enable the tracking focus, right? Now, let's try to disable this and let's try another round, all right? So it's just, this is the main camera. Okay, let's try to move it. All right, I'm gonna try to really do a lot of picks here and now move it faster and quicker. So guys, this is the real test, all right? What happens inside? Bad, this is bad, bad, bad. Bad as well, bad as well. This is really bad. This is not good, guys. And also what I want to try, I'm going to now click the motion, all right, photo. All right, let's try to do this now with the motion photo. And motion photo will probably give you some better results sometimes. I tested it, not every time. So what happens with the motion photo? Right now it has to analyze. It's a motion photo. And yeah, let's see. Okay, let's see if we can save this pic here. Alright, no, I can pretty much not, right? So you can go click boomerang, slow-mo and motion photo off, but I do believe that the S25 Ultra camera needs more work. For me right now, even before my in-depth testing and comparison, I don't think that the shutter lock has improved in certain use cases. What you see online is a lot of people happy with this. Yeah, when you have enough sunlight and enough light in general, the S24 and 3 Ultra, they will have done the same. The thing is, what can you do when you're inside with conditions like this? And the answer is, it is still not fixed according to me. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, guys. Go watch my unboxing and first impression, also comparison with the S24 and S23 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Stay safe, VST over, and bye.